And I'm depressed, right? I can't figure out why I'm depressed. That's what sent me all on this, was that I was suffering, that I was depressed. And I didn't realize how much the things I was putting into my body were affecting that. And I didn't realize how much exercise had such a positive effect. And then I began to find meditation. And then I began to go, whoa, this is very, very cool. I would start to experience these very sublime moments of no thought. And all I knew was that it felt really good. And so I have been rewiring my mind consciously for a very long time. I can't suffer the things that I used to suffer in my 20s. My mind is just not wired that way anymore. I kind of laugh at it. Like, I can't believe these things used to hurt me so much. What a weird thing. Do you have things like that in your life that used to be really upsetting to you and now they're not?
Mm-hmm.
At the time they were upsetting, though, seemed pretty real to you, didn't it?
Real.
And now you're like, what the hell is the problem? So strange. It's just how your mind is wired. And that's why, look, I could be going around and I could be doing retreat, 3-day retreat here, 3-day retreat there. Could probably make tons of money doing that. That's not what works. This is a gradual process that happens slowly and gradually over time. And that's why I'm here every Wednesday, to give you a place to come and grind on it and grind on it and work on it and stay consistent and ask your questions and go home and practice and come back and ask your questions and go home and practice and come back and ask your questions. Put all the tools in your hand. Here's what you need to do. Because when you're wiring your mind, you're not just saying, okay, I'm going to wire my mind. You got to turn around and go back through all that garbage wiring that's there from the last, 30 years. That's a big garage to clean. So this is not for the faint of heart. And this is not for people that don't want to work. I'm not meaning anybody in here, by the way, when I say that. Yeah. No, the ones that don't want to work aren't here right now. This is, I want you to see, what we're doing and why we're doing and how we're doing, so that you're motivated to be doing. Because why we struggle to do what we 100% know is good for us is because we're fighting through that wiring. We're fighting through our resistance. We're fighting through the way that our mind has been conditioned. Because you begin to realize that there is a me in my mind. Now, me, I want to work out, but I just can't get my mind to do it. You ever said that to yourself? I can't get myself to work out.